In a heart-wrenching incident, a 6-year-old child has fallen into an open borewell in the village located in the Rewa district of Madhya Pradesh. As the news broke, rescue operations were swiftly initiated to save the child from precarious situation. Now the administration personnel have rushed to the scene, gearing up for the rescue mission ahead. Rescue teams have dug a parallel pit at about 45 feet and a pipe will be laid out to reach the trapped child. Let's listen into what the authorities have to say.
पैरेलल उसी के जो गड्ढा है, बोरवेल है, उसी के पैरेलल जो है खुदाई चल रही है। और चूँकि अभी बीच में थोड़ा सा पानी का रुख था, बरसात हो रही थी थोड़ी, तो उसकी वजह से और जो बालियाँ थीं खेत कटाई की वो बोरवेल में थी, तो कुछ कैमरे को डिस्टर्ब है सही लोकेशन पता करने में। उस पर काम चल रहा है और शीघ्र ही जो है उस बच्चे को रेस्क्यू करके निकाल लेंगे।
We have my colleague Amritanshi joining us from Madhya Pradesh. Amritanshi, many challenges being faced, including unseasonal rain. Take us through at what time did the 6-year-old fall into the borewell? How long has the child been trapped for? And what kind of communication has been established in order to make sure that the safety of the child? Recently, when a 1.5-year-old fell into a borewell in Karnataka, they had footage of the feet constantly moving, giving them hope as far as the well-being of the child was concerned.
This is not the first time when the children have been like falling in the borewell. In every 1 or 2 months, there has been a case in Madhya Pradesh when the child falls into a borewell because the pit is never closed. This borewell was not even working; it was closed from like last 3 months. The 6-year-old boy fell into the borewell around 3 to 4 p.m. yesterday in the Rewa district at the place Teothar, basically. It's a very small village there. The rescue operation is like now underway. The incident took place around 3 to 4 p.m. and the village is nearly the Uttar Pradesh border. The boy was playing near the open borewell, and also the SDRF team has reached the location, and around 12 a.m. In the midnight, the team was called from Varanasi, and the SDRF team is was placed into the service to save the child, who is stuck at the depth of 60 feet, according to the collector of Rewa. Oxygen is being supplied inside through a pipe, and the CCTV camera too is lowered to monitor the boy's condition. But there is not much movement, response from the boy. But the camera could not reach him because of some obstruction, and also the borewell is around 120 feet deep, and a parallel pit is being dug up to rescue the child. Yesterday in the midnight, the team from the Varanasi of NDRF has been called, and it has reached the spot around 3 a.m. Though unseasonal rain has also affected the rescue operation, according to the officials, but the pit has been dug up, and the rescue operation is constantly been underway. Yeah.